See, 3 days out of adventure, the first mate comes to him and says everything's an equal share. That should be the location of the treasure, too. Jack gives up the
Alright,
barrels.
great.
That night, there was a mutiny. They marooned Jack on an island and left him to die. Not before he got mad with the heat.
So that's the reason for all the...
Reason's got nothing to do with it. Now, Will, when a pirate's marooned, he's given a pistol with a single shot. One shot. Well, not one too much gonna happen or any rest of it. But after
What was
3
that?
weeks of starving belly and thirst, that pistol started to feel friendly. Jack, he escaped the island. He still has that single shot. Oh, he won't use it, though. Save on one man. He's mutinous for his mate.
Well, post on.
How did Jack get off the island? Well, I'll tell you. He waited out for shallows, and he waited there 3 days and 3 nights. All manner of sea creatures came, climbed into his presence. Now, on the 4th morning, he roped himself a couple of sea turtles, rossed them together, and made a raft.
He roped a couple.